Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to the share update news from my side. There is an update I have regarding a stock called Beta Drugs Ltd. Ashish Kacholia has a 15% stake. Has a huge stake in this company. I think about 5 odd percent. The value holding of Ashish is 221 crore. The stock is available at a 15% discount, and I would suggest you to keep a track of this stock. 50, it is just 17% discount from its 52-week high, which means that the stock hasn't been affected by the market fluctuations over the last 6 8 months in the share market. So it's a very good stock to keep a track of. Consult a financial stockbroker if you wish to have this as a part of your portfolio. See whether it is worthwhile investing in it. Currently, the market capitalization of this is 1,847 crores. The last price that the company closed was at 1,840, reflecting a 17% drop from its 52-week high of 2,215. The stock reached an intraday low of 1821, rising 2.2% from its previous close of 1,781. Beta Drugs Ltd is an Indian pharmaceutical company specializing in oncology. It manufactures a wide range of anti-cancer products, including tablets, capsule, injections, lyophilized formulations, ranked among the top 10 oncology firms. Sorry, in India, its key brand is Adcumin, supportive care, and Dasatinib in generic enjoys strong market leadership. The company has expanded its global footprint to over 46 countries and holds key regulatory approvals from Brazil and the European Union. Manufacturing and R&D capabilities. The company operates advanced manufacturing facilities that comply with WHO GMP standards. These facilities specialize in the production of oncology products and have the capabilities to develop innovative drug delivery systems and non-biological complex drugs. BDL focuses on research and development with efforts directed towards development of new products, including new innovative biologics and para PARAP inhibitors. The R&D teams work closely with accredited institutions to conduct bioanalytical studies supporting preclinical and clinical studies. Domestic and international growth. Company has achieved impressive growth across various segments. Domestic sales have increased by 30%, strong preference in local market. International business saw 141% growth. Financial overview, 180 crores in H1 FY25, marking a 28% increase from 141 in H1 FY24. Similarly, company saw 20% incline in net profit to rupees 24 crores compared to 20 crores in the same period. Ratio analysis 28.54 ROCE, ROE 22.67, shareholding pattern is 66.73. So we'll go through some financials here and see how the company has performed. So market cap is 1,857 crores. Companies manufacture a wide range of oncology cancer products. Then CDMO contract manufacturing partnerships over 50 countries, companies including more than 20 pharmaceutical companies like Glenmark, Torrent Farm, Reliance Life Spaces, Català, and among others. So mostly manufacturers, third-party products, revenue segment. We'll go through that. International business, uh, uh, domestic owned brands 29%, brands like Canrib, Adiclib, Beeden, Adifil, Casflia, OS, So countries like Nigeria, Uzbekistan, Kenya, Uganda, Sri Lanka, Nepal, etc. Through its subsidiaries and sales partners, it has made more than 250 registrations in these countries. This segment has grown by over 2.2 times between FY22 and FY24, driven by geographical expansion into 18 new countries. Then high of 2215, low of 1048, stock PE of 45, book value 179, ROC 32.8, ROE 26, face value of the share 10 rupees. Company has delivered CAGR profit of 35.3% in the last 5 years. Good return on equity in the last 3 years, 28%. Stock is trading at 10.3 times its book value. Company not paying any dividend. Then comparatively with other peers in the industry, DV's Lab, Newland Labs, Jubilant Pharma, Amio Organics, Hikal, Aarti Drugs, Gujarat Themis Bio. So the average P of the industry or the median is 25. Uh, Median price of the companies is 226. So which means to say that most of the companies, there are 25 companies listed in that range. So that is the reason why the CMP is less than market capitalization. I think the lowest for this company against its peers. Then you can see the lowest is 6.74 ROCE and the highest is 45. So the median again is 14. So decent size return for the companies in this uh, market. However, look at the bigger numbers. That is what is important. Beta Drugs 33, Gujarat Themis Bio 45, and Newland Labs 33% ROCE. So these three companies definitely to keep a track of. Then moving on, sales 180 crores. The sales have been growing, which is a good sign. Though the quarters signify only 6 monthly results here. Expenses, operating profit has improved, though it is inconsistent. Profit before tax and the net profit after tax has been, fluctuating, so it's not steady. Maybe that is one of the reasons why there is an impact on the share price of this company. Then looking at year-on-year results, they have been growing. Maybe the growth in the last 2 3 years has not been possibly on the expected lines. One year it does well, then the other year it's not able to keep the same kind of revenue growth and profit growth going. So that is also one of the reasons why the stock uh, it's lost 15% value in the last 1 year. So again, net profit has been increasing, which is a good sign. Though revenue becomes a concern, net uh, total profit again becomes a concern. These financials are good. You can keep a track of them. These are very good financials. There is a room of improvement for consistency that would make it more better. Reserves have grown to 171 crores, which is a good sign. Then debtor days have improved slightly. Inventory days have gone up from 106 to 122 days. Payable have also gone up by 6 days. 145 days is a long time, so probably needs to work on improving how it pays its suppliers. Then working capital days consistent at 88, 86 days. Then shareholding pattern, promoters 66%, FII is 0.9, DII is 0.17, public 32%. So the foreign institution investors and the direct institutional investors, the share value is 0.17, which is very negligible, just 1% shareholding between the two, which really can impact the overall sentiment of the market as well. So again, information from another site, more or less similar numbers, book value slightly different here, price to book value different again. Stock P here shows a higher value. I presume that this is based on FY24 update, maybe not the most recent update. Some figures tend to differ from site to site. Then look at the price 2144 on 10th of December, then traded volume about 1000 on 26th of September, then high PE of 98 on 10th of December, then price to book value of 19.5 again 10th of December. Some other companies with similar price range and a lower market cap, more detailed or more in line with the market capitalization of Beta Drugs, so ranging of 1700 to 2400 range. Again, here you can see highest is Beta 27, so I presume this is a figure for FY24, and the other companies you can see low of 21, low of 2, high of 22. I believe that is the highest in the industry. Then uh, some companies are doing with a very low return, which is just 2%. And look at the price to earnings of the other companies. Some of them are trending at 18, some of them are 36, some of them are 29. One of them is at as high as 362, and Senory's pharmaceutical as high as 958. So this clearly means that some of the stocks in the industries are not doing well. They are not able to generate good profit to justify the price that they are being traded at. Then earnings per share, again, this depends on the value of the face value of the stock. Uh, the lower the face value of the stock, the the more better the EPS or the earnings per share uh, signifies. So some companies to keep a track of with the good ROC and good ROE, price to book value, something that you can compare again. The ones which have a low price to book value, can compare those and see how they perform. That would be an analysis that would determine whether you can invest in this industry. And if you want a thoroughly detailed information or analysis done, I think you should consider speaking to a financial advisor or a broker. So this is sales growth 25% in the last 1 year, overall about 27% on a 5-year average. Profit growth has reduced, however, on an average 23% in the last 5 years. Then you look at ROCE, last 3 years about 20%, which is consistent. Last 5 years about 18, so not bad. ROCE again consistent. 5 years 23, then last 3 years 27. Debt to equity is very low, which is a good sign. Companies doesn't have much of debt. Price to cash flow, this is a very high number. 87 is something that is way beyond the required you know industry target of about 10. So something to look at. Then interest coverage ratio, yeah, nearly 30 times, 29 times, it can cover the interest amount. Then good efficiency, operating efficiency of 0.98. Then you have these numbers, we've already been through them. This is probably end of FY24. That is the reason why the numbers are slightly higher. Company has shown good revenue growth, 35%, 3 years. Company maintaining healthy ROE. Company has been maintaining healthy ROC, 27%. Company is trading at a high PE of 85. Again, this is an old stat. Company is trading at a high of EBITDA of 50. Then you can see company is debt free. Company has a healthy interest coverage ratio of 29. Company has an efficient cash conversion cycle of 24. Company has a healthy liquidity position, current ratio of 2.24. Ashish Kacholia, 221.47 crore, the highest super investor. These are the promoter shareholdings. Neeraj Batra, 66%, and the others are small. Rahul Varan Batra. Then investors, Ashish Kacholia, about 5% value. Then Suryavanshi Comotrade, it's an institutional investor, I believe, or possibly public holding. So that has about 6% shareholding in the company. So friends, I think that is all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll connect with another video tomorrow. I hope this information would be something that you'd really benefit from. So please share this with your friends, family and associates so that they could also gain some vital information based on this company. Thank you for watching. We'll catch up with another video tomorrow as suggested. Thank you.